Problem unable to access microphone. Please allow Doom Workplace to access your microphone from device setting. So here we have the solution. This is the problem and the solution. First, go to the setting, and in setting, on the left side, you go to the privacy and security, and from the privacy and security, go down and find microphone. This, and then microphone, ensure that microphone access is on, not off, and then go down to the apps here and find the application which you are using. It's a video recorder, snapping tool, or Zoom, or Google Meet, or Team, and change this to on also, and then go to your application Zoom in your mobile. You can do this in mobile. This is on laptop. The same thing you can do in your mobile. Then go to the application, the Zoom in your mobile or laptop, and change the setting to the allow the microphone using the suitable microphone. So these are the steps we told you in this video. These steps are written. Okay, so this is what we say to you. If no one of this worked and this way is not suitable and not working, you have to, the problem still, you have to update your Windows or your operating system in your mobile, Android, or anyway, any operating system, and update this, or go to your computer manufacturer, mobile manufacturer website for latest audio drivers. The problem may be in the audio driver. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.